Welcome to Discurso Tidbit News, as we deliver more news that gives you clear perspectives and insightful stories. And for the news this evening, breaking news! Former President Rodrigo Duterte was arrested this morning at NAIA Terminal 3 after returning from Hong Kong. The ICC served a warrant for crimes against humanity linked to his controversial war on drugs, which allegedly cost 30,000 deaths, though official records report 6,000. This marks the first time a former Philippine president faces arrest for such charges. Detained at Villamor Air Base, Duterte initially claimed he was ready to face trial but later questioned the arrest's legitimacy. His former legal counsel Salvador Panelo also challenged the ICC's jurisdiction. Reactions are mixed. House Minority Leader Franz Castro sees this as accountability, while former Senator Laila De Lima calls it personal. Supporters gathered outside Villamor while the AFP remains on high alert. This has been tonight's top story. Stay tuned for more updates. And that is all for the news this evening. Keep an eye on Discurso Tidbit News as we deliver more news that gives you clear perspectives and insightful stories.